The clouds came in heavy this morning, dark, vertilating, almost as they had arrived to frighten me. And I looked at them and thought, come on then, bring all your water-heavy armies. Let us see how long can you pour. Armed with nothing more than my iPhone and GoPro, I stepped out of my balcony and started capturing them, one cloud at a time, one formation after another, one changing mood after the next. They gathered, they darkened, they moved across the horizon. Then came the rain. For a moment, I really thought they were going to conquer the entire day. But nature had another plan. Within an hour, the rain softened. The darkness began to lift, and those mighty formations slowly started disappearing. They had come like an army, but left behind only beautiful memories. Perhaps that is why clouds have fascinated me for more than 2 decades from the same place. I have photographed them in so many moods over the last 2 decades. Angry, peaceful, golden, silver, restless, dramatic, and so on. And sometimes completely still. Every time they seem to tell a different story to me. Today, from my balcony, I had almost 180 degrees of sky before me, and a view so enchanting, stretching perhaps 20 to 30 kilometers into the distance. Nature had created its own theatre, and I had the perfect front row seat. So I took nearly an hour of changing skies and shaped those moments into just 2.5 minutes, frame by frame, moment by moment, blending the clouds with music, allowing every transition to follow the rhythm. And somewhere, while editing it, I realized this was never really a battle between me and the clouds. They had not come to frighten me, they had come to perform. And I was simply fortunate enough to be standing there, camera in hand, when the curtain rose. Thank you, clouds, for making such an enchanting day for me. For the rain, thank you. For the drama, for the movement, thank you. And for giving me such a beautiful view from my balcony today. Some moments disappear with the weather. Some remain forever because we stopped long enough to capture them. What a view today from the sky, from the clouds. Thank you, God.